Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So, anyways, on the euro yen, I definitely am still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. I think we're likely now in a wave 4, and I think eventually it needs to go up for a wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push down ending right here is a wave A. I think we're very, very likely in a wave B right now, and I think eventually it will go down and make a wave C of wave 4, which I still think the 150.05 area right at the 50% Fibonacci retracement is the likely area to end this wave 4. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do think that the wave A ends here, like I was just showing. I think this is an A of B. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves down for a B of B. I think we are very, very likely now in a wave C of wave B, which I think it's going to go up to the 123 or the 138 before it decides to go down for the bigger wave C of wave 4. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I actually think there's a wave 1 and a wave 2 in here. It kind of looks like an expanding flat type thing for a wave 2 in the middle right here. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, expanding flat, wave 2, and I think we are likely in a wave 3 right now. And if that's the case, this is not definitely not over, which means this move down is very likely a correction to this move up. Most likely we will end up bouncing from a Fibonacci level, which it could be any one of them, making a higher low and continuing the uptrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So there's really not a whole lot of structure to this correction. Most ABC corrections are like this: 1, 2, 3 waves down. Even this over here, even though it's a little messy, is 1, 2, 3 waves down. This one doesn't really have that 3 wave structure. It's kind of just a flat correction. Sometimes the best thing to do in these type of circumstances is to throw a trend line on there, even though I normally don't use trend lines. Wait for a break of the trend line, wait for a retest of the trend line, and then go long at the retest. These flat corrections are a little bit more difficult to identify the end of because there's not really an ABC structure in there. And honestly, it doesn't have to happen now. It could easily go down to one of these lower fib levels before it actually decides to continue the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.